Hello everyone, my name is David Lee. I am an elementary STEM specialist at Singapore American School. In this video, I want to share with you a couple of slides that I've been presenting in recent conferences that basically describe how design thinking really personalizes learning for students. But before we begin, it is important to note that this approach is best implemented when you have students engage in real-world authentic tasks and challenges where teachers facilitate inquiry and problem solving. So for example, in project-based learning in transdisciplinary STEM education. So let's begin. Here is a quote that defines what personalized learning is all about from the book Making Learning Personal. It states, personalization refers to instruction paced to learning needs, tailored to learning preferences, and adapted to specific interests of different learners. In an environment that is fully personalized, the learning objectives and content, as well as the method and pace, may all vary. So personalization encompasses differentiation and individualization. Now, the resources I've seen out there about personalized learning seems to focus more on instruction, which is great, and it is extremely valuable. Educators need to provide instruction that is paced based on student needs, learning preferences, also student interests. However, why not provide students with not only personalized instruction, but also a learning method that provides personalization? I believe design thinking is a great method that does exactly this. In my book, I define design thinking as a combination of human-centered design and innovation-friendly mindsets, where students apply knowledge and skills from multiple subject areas with creative practices to bring meaningful change to people's or their own lives, improve real-world experiences, or develop solutions to complex problems. It's a method that consists of 5 phases: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So how does design thinking personalize learning? Well, it comes down to student voice and choice. In the empathize phase, students get to generate their own questions that they would like to ask during empathy work, or the questions needed to be answered during the inquiry process. Additionally, they get to choose their type of resources they use to obtain knowledge about the real-world challenge they are given. In the define phase, students get to choose specific problems that need to be solved. In the ideate and prototype phases, students get a voice in what they want to create to solve the problem or improve a real-world experience. In all the design thinking phases, students decide on the tasks that they will take on to complete the challenge, jumping around different phases based on need. In all of the phases, they get to use their own judgment and decision-making skills when approaching a problem, very much making the learning self-directed, where students take control of their own learning. In the test phase, students decide on how to test prototypes and what changes need to be made to improve prototypes based on new insights. So there you have it. Design thinking can really personalize student learning, especially when project-based learning and STEM education is involved. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you want to learn more about design thinking and how you can implement it into your classroom to equip students with creative problem-solving skills, please check out my book, Design Thinking in the Classroom. The description will be in the link below. Please click the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. So see you on the next one. Peace.